Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing this voiceover chit chat get ready with me. All of my products that I'm using on my face will be in order down in the description box below, but I'm just going to give you guys some updates because I know I've been gone for a while, but there is a method to my madness and there's a reason for it. The first topic that I want to address is how I've been making better videos. And the first thing that you kind of need to take a step back, and these 3 tips kind of really help me figure things out. And the first thing is, do you like cinematic or HD/vlog style filming? And I like cinematic. I shoot on a Canon T5i in 24 frames per second with an ISO between 400 and 800 because that was the problem, but I'll get to that in a second. And the second thing is go back to school, meaning take out a notebook, really write notes, watch YouTube videos, and make a playlist for yourself. That way you always have something to go back to. I have one that I've used. If you guys want me to take it off of private, I can, so you guys can see it. And the third thing is that I asked around with people who have the same filming style. If you want to do cinematic filming, asking someone who does vlogs may not help because most likely they're shooting in 60 frames per second. I asked Gina Skita because I was having a huge film grain problem. When I would film, there would be film grain everywhere, all this like video noise, and I didn't know how to get rid of it. And so I asked her, and she was so kind to respond, and she said that my ISO may have been too high, and turns out that's what it was. So I turned it down between 400 and 800, and even though I was filming like in this video in front of a well-lit window, it's perfectly sunny, daytime, everything, it still wasn't enough light. So it turns out I had to buy a light that goes on top of my DSLR, which was only like 50 bucks, and it gave me a lot of filler light to work with, so that way my ISO could stay low, but I can still get good enough light and have the cinematic feel that I wanted. Even though I show mainly beauty and makeup videos on this channel, this is a lifestyle channel. Just beauty and skincare happens to be one of my interests, while using myself as a guinea pig. And this is a lifestyle channel, though it is set in stone. I have said it, this is a lifestyle channel. I love to talk about what goes on in life, even though this is one of my interests and I will feature it from time to time. I don't want anyone to think that this is mainly what I want to do. It's just something I like doing. And the one thing I love about lifestyle channels is that literally it's your life. You're showing parts of your life that can help someone else, and I want to create that, as well as I have been obsessed with creating lately. Ever since I learned about my DSLR, I love to create and just film things, so I definitely want to get into in-depth videos about life as well, just things that people go through in life, as well as vlogging my life in general. So if you guys like that, please subscribe, and you know, there's some things in the works ahead, so I can't wait for you guys to really see what I can do. Learning about my Canon T5i and really just practicing just the art of photography and cinematography just revved like this engine in me, you know. Even though I was tired from work, I would come home and couldn't wait to film again and again. Even though it wasn't always right and it wouldn't come out okay, I would just keep going back out there multiple times a day. I would shoot a couple photos or a couple videos, come inside, see how they looked, and go back outside. And it just gave me this motivation, because not seeing the footage that I wanted was really upsetting, and it made me just want to give up. But the message to you guys is, please do not give up. It's gonna take some time. You're gonna get the hang of it. Using these steps, I promise you, will get you somewhere. Like for me, this got me at least somewhere. It got me to have a better plan than I had in a very long time, and it really gave me some perspective to fall in love. Oh, look, my glasses, do you guys like them? Let me know down in the comments. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Don't give up. Please make sure to like and subscribe, as well as click that bell button. That way you guys are always notified when I'm making new videos, as well as follow me on my social media. You guys, like, seriously, I can't wait to show you guys what's in store. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Don't stop creating. Bye!